Hello everybody, I'm going to be telling you how to play Bones by Imagine Dragons as a piano tutorial. The tutorial will be at the end of the video. And right now I'm going to be telling you how it sounds by playing it once. So I'm going to be telling you the basic tune of the song. So we'll put your hands like middle C, but we're not going to be playing with the notes there. We're going to be playing with the black keys. So then we'll go from the C sharp to all the way to D sharp. So then we'll play D sharp, but the positioning will be D sharp, F, our first finger on D sharp, our second finger on F sharp, third finger on G sharp, and then our fourth finger on A sharp. We don't use our pinky in this one. So then what we will do is play D sharp, F, D sharp, F, and then we will play A sharp, then we will play G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and then we'll repeat that again. After that, we'll play G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, and then D sharp, D sharp. So it should eventually sound like. Now you finished the song. Great job. So now hopefully you learned how to play the song and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye. In the comments, please tell me other piano songs I should do. Thank you for watching. Bye.